Have you ever put code into production and then immediately forgot what it does, how it does it, or why you even made that one decision? Yeah, me neither. That code became legacy code the moment you shipped it. But what if understanding it was as easy as asking a question? I'm Jenna Pedersen, a principal developer advocate at AWS, and I'm going to show you how Amazon Q Developer can help you decode legacy code in seconds, right from your IDE. You're staring at unfamiliar code in your IDE. Maybe even your former coworker left you a little present. And rather than spending hours reverse engineering it, you can highlight the block of code, right-click, and select Explain from the Amazon Q Developer menu. In seconds, you'll get a clear, natural language breakdown of what the code does. Now you can speed up your time getting to know a code base, whether it's code you wrote as past to you, you're onboarding to a new project, or you're just picking up your coworker's leftovers. What about those complex patterns or tricky algorithms like Dijkstra's shortest path? Highlight the code, choose Explain, and Amazon Q Developer breaks it down step by step. It translates complex logic into plain English, making it easier to grasp advanced concepts. You can even ask follow-up questions in the chat to clarify any points. Now imagine you need to improve some old, messy code, but you're not sure where to start. With Amazon Q Developer, you can get refactoring suggestions to improve readability, efficiency, or other aspects of the implementation. Select the code you want to refactor, choose Refactor, and get tailored suggestions. It's just like having an expert code reviewer right at your fingertips, guiding you through the best practices and optimizations for your code. Are you ready to boost your coding productivity? Find more details in the description to start using Amazon Q Developer so you can experience the power of AI-assisted code comprehension and refactoring. Your future self will thank you. If you want to see more videos like this, be sure to subscribe to the AWS Developers YouTube channel, hit the like button, or even leave a comment below about how generative AI is changing how you write code.